ఈ వీడియోలో ఏపీ మెగా డిఎస్సి 2025 సెకండ్ గ్రేడ్ టీచర్స్ అలాగనే స్కూల్ అసిస్టెంట్ మ్యాథ్స్కి సంబంధించి హెచ్సిఎఫ్ అండ్ ఎల్సిఎం కాన్సెప్ట్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. అలాగనే ఈ వీడియో అన్ని కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాసే వాళ్ళకి చక్కగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అండ్ మల్టిపుల్స్. If a number a divides another number b exactly, we say that a is a factor of b. In this case, b is called a multiple of a. Highest common factor HCF or greatest common measure GCM or greatest common divisor GCD. The HCF of two or more than two numbers is the greatest number that divides each of them exactly. There are two methods of finding the HCF of a given set of numbers. First one, factorization method. We express each one of the given numbers as the product of prime factors. The product of least powers of common prime factors gives HCF. Second one, division method. Suppose we have to find the HCF of two given numbers. Divide the larger number by the smaller one. Now divide the divisor by the remainder. Repeat the process of dividing the preceding number by the remainder. Last obtained till 0 is obtained as remainder. The last divisor is the required HCF. Finding the HCF of more than two numbers. Suppose we have to find the HCF of three numbers, then HCF of any two and the third number gives the HCF of three given numbers. Similarly, the HCF of more than three numbers may be obtained. Least common multiple LCM. The least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given numbers is called the LCM. First one, factorization method of finding LCM. Resolve each of the given numbers into a product of prime factors. Then LCM is the product of highest powers of all the factors. Second one, common division method, shortcut method of finding LCM. Arranging the given numbers in a row in any order, divide by a number which divides exactly at least two of the given numbers and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. Repeat the above process till no two of the numbers are divisible by the same number except one. The product of the divisors and the undivided numbers is the required LCM of the given numbers. Product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Co-primes. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. Now, HCF and LCM of fractions. HCF equal to HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. LCM of fractions is equal to LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. HCF and LCM of decimal fractions. In given numbers, make the same number of decimal places by annexing zeros in same numbers if necessary. Considering these numbers without deciding HCF of or LCM as the case may be. Now in the result, mark off as many decimal places as are there in each of the given numbers. దశాంశ భిన్నాల హెచ్సిఎఫ్ మరియు ఎల్సిఎఫ్లు ఇచ్చిన సంఖ్యలలో అవసరమైతే కొన్ని సంఖ్యలలో సున్నాలను జోడించడం ద్వారా అదే దశాంశ స్థానాల సంఖ్యను చేయండి. దశాంశ బిందువు లేని ఆ సంఖ్యలను పరిగణలోకి తీసుకొని సందర్భాన్ని బట్టి హెచ్సిఎఫ్ లేదా ఎల్సిఎం కనుగొని ఇప్పుడు ఫలితంలో ఇచ్చిన సంఖ్యలలో ప్రతిదానిలో ఉన్నన్ని దశాంశ స్థానాలను గుర్తించాలి. Comparison of fractions. Find the LCM of denominators of the given fractions. Convert each of the fraction into a equivalent fraction with LCM as the denominator by multiplying both of the numerator and denominator by the same number. The resultant fraction with the greatest numerator is the greatest. ఇచ్చిన భిన్నాల హారాల ఎల్సిఎంను కనుగొనండి. ప్రతి భిన్నాన్ని ఎల్సిఎంను హారంగా ఉన్న సమాన భిన్నంగా మార్చండి. లవం మరియు హారం రెండింటిని ఒకే సంఖ్యతో గుణించండి. గొప్ప లవం కలిగిన ఫలితం భిన్నం గొప్పది, అనగా పెద్ద లవం కలిగినటువంటి భిన్నం పెద్దది అవుతుంది. ఉదాహరణలు చూద్దాం. Find the HCF of 2 square and 3 square into 5 into 7 power 4, 2 square into 3 power 5 into 5 square into 7 cube, 2 cube into 5 cube into 7 square. The prime numbers common to given numbers are 2, 5 and 7. So HCF equal to 2 square 5 into 7 square. సో ఇక్కడ హెచ్సిఎఫ్ అనేది కామన్గా ఉన్నటువంటి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీస్ట్ పవర్స్ని ప్రోడక్ట్గా తీసుకుంటాం. సో ఇక్కడ 2 స్క్వేర్ లీస్ట్గా ఉంది, 2 స్క్వేర్ లీస్ట్గా ఉన్నటువంటి నెంబరు. సో అలాగనే 5 కామన్గా లీస్ట్గా ఉన్నటువంటిది, 7 స్క్వేర్ కూడా కామన్ అండ్ లీస్ట్గా ఉన్నటువంటి పవర్. సో హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 5 ఇంటూ 7 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 980. ఫైండ్ ద హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 42, 63 and 140, 180, 288 and 360. 42 as 2 into 3 into 7 and 63 as 3 square into 7 and 140 is equal to 2 square into 5 into 7. So HCF common factors, here common factors are 7 only. So HCF of these numbers is 7. And second one, 108 is equal to 2 square into 3 cube. 288 is equal to 2 power 5 into 3 square into 3 square. And 360 equal to 2 cube into 5 into 3 square. So HCF here common factors 2 and 3. So common factors యొక్క least powers 2 square అలాగనే 3 square. So 2 square into 3 square is equal to 36. To find the HCF of 513, 1134 and 1215. సో ఈ విధంగా మనం డివిజన్ మెథడ్లో హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఫైండ్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది. డివిజన్ మెథడ్లో ఫస్ట్ మనము 1034, 1215 ఈ 2 నెంబర్స్ తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. సో ఈ 2 నెంబర్స్ యొక్క హెచ్సిఎఫ్ 81 వచ్చింది. అలాగే ఈ 81 తోటి థర్డ్ నెంబర్ 513ని డివిజన్ చేసాం. చివరిగా మిగిలినటువంటి డివైజర్ 27. సో ఇచ్చినటువంటి నెంబర్స్ యొక్క హెచ్సిఎఫ్ 27 అవుతుంది. రెడ్యూస్ 391 by 667 టు లోయెస్ట్ టర్మ్స్. సో ఇలా లోయెస్ట్ టర్మ్స్గా చేంజ్ చేయమని ఇచ్చినప్పుడు హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 391 and 667 is 27. On dividing the numerator and the denominator by 23 we get. So 391ని 23తో డివిజన్ చేస్తే 17 వచ్చింది. 667ని 23తో డివిజన్ చేస్తే 29 వచ్చింది. సో ద లోయెస్ట్ టర్మ్ of 391 by 667 is 17 by 29. Find the LCM of 2 square and 3 cube and 5 into 7 square. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square into 7 power 4. 2 into 3 into 5 cube into 7 into 11. So LCM is equal product of highest powers of each multiple. So here 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are the factors. So highest powers of 2 cube, 3 ఏమో 3 cube లో ఉంది, 5 ఏమో 5 cube ఉంది, 7 అలాగనే into 11. So find the LCM of 87 and 145. అలానే 72, 108 and 2100. 87 equal to 3 into 29. 145 equal to 5 into 29. So LCM equal to 3 into 29, 5 into 5. 3 into 5 into 29. So 435. అలాగే 72 equal to 2 cube into 3 square. 108 equal to 3 cube into 2 square. 2100 equal to 2 square into 5 square into 3 into 7. So LCM equal to 2 cube, 3 cube into 5 square into 7. That equal to 37,800. Find the LCM of 16, 24, 36 and 54. సో ఈ విధంగా షార్ట్ డివిజన్ మెథడ్లో ఈ విధంగా ఎల్సిఎం ఫైండ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫైండ్ ద హెచ్సిఎఫ్ అండ్ ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 16 by 81 and 10 by 27. So HCF of given fractions is equal to HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. సో ఇక్కడ 2, 8, 16, 10 న్యూమరేటర్స్గా ఉన్నాయి. వీటి యొక్క హెచ్సిఎఫ్ 2 అవుతుంది. అలాగనే 3, 9, 81, 27 అనేవి డినామినేటర్స్గా ఉన్నాయి. ఈ డినామినేటర్స్కి ఎల్సిఎం 81 అవుతుంది. సో హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ గివెన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఈజ్ 2 by 81. అలాగే ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ గివెన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ న్యూమరేటర్స్ బై హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్స్. So here LCM of 2, 8, 16 and 10 is 80. HCF of denominators 3, 9, 81, 27 is 3. Find the HCF and LCM of 0.63, 1.05 and 2.1. Making the same numerator of decimal places, the given numbers are 0.63, 1.05 and 2.10. Without decimal places, these numbers are 63, 105 and 210. Now HCF of 63, 105 and 210 is 21. So HCF of given decimal numbers 0.63, 1.05 and 2.1 is 0.21. LCM of 63, 105 and 210 is 630. Therefore LCM of 0.63, 1.05 and 2.1 is 6.30. That equals 6.3. Two numbers are in the same ratio of 15:11. If their HCF is 13, find the numbers. Let the required numbers be 15x and 11x. Then their HCF is x. So x equal to here 13. Then the numbers are 15 into 13 and 11 into 13. So 15 into 13, 195. And 11 into 13, 143. Two numbers are in the ratio of 3:4. Their LCM is 84. Find the numbers. Let the numbers be 3x and 4x. Then their LCM is 12x. We know 3 and 4 are co-primes. The LCM of co-primes is the product of given numbers. So 12x is equal to given LCM 84. Then x equal to 7. Then therefore the numbers are 3x is equal to 3 into 7 21 and 4x is equal to 4 into 7 28. The HCF of two numbers is 11 and their LCM is 693. If one of the numbers is 77, find the other. So we know other number or second number equal to product of HCF and LCM of two numbers by first number. That equal to 11 into 693 by 77 is equal to 99. The sum of two numbers is 462 and their highest common factor is 22. What is the minimum number of pairs that satisfies these conditions? The sum of the two numbers 462. Let the required numbers be 22a and 22b. Common factor 22 గా ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది కాబట్టి రిక్వైర్డ్ నెంబర్స్ మనం 22a and 22b గా తీసుకున్నాం. సో 21a plus 22a plus 22b equal to 462 కి ఈక్వల్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో 22 కామన్ తీసినట్లయితే a plus b is equal to 462. 22 into a plus b equal to 462. Then a plus b is equal to 462 by 22. That equal to 21. A plus b value 21 వచ్చింది. So now co-primes with sum 21 are అంటే ఈ రెండు co-primesని యాడ్ చేస్తే 21 వచ్చే విధంగా ఉన్నటువంటి co-primes మనం 1, 20గా తీసుకోవచ్చు. అలాగనే 2, 19, 4, 17, 5, 16, 8, 13 అలాగనే 10, 11గా తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో రిక్వైర్డ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ 22 into 1, 22 into 20 అలాగనే 22 into 2, 22 into 19, 22 into 4, 17, 22 into 17, 22 into 5, 22 into 16, 22 into 10, 22 into 11. Clearly, the number of such pairs is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer, the number of such pairs is 6. The sum and difference of the LCM and HCF of two numbers are and 1 and 518 respectively. If the sum of the numbers be 296, find the numbers. Let L and H denotes the LCM and HCF of two numbers. Then sum of LCM and HCF equal to 592. Difference of LCM and HCF equal to 518. Adding 1 and 2, we get 2L equal to 1110 or L equal to 555. Then H equal to 592 minus 555 equal to 37. So HCF equal to 37 and LCM equal to 555. Let the numbers be x and 296 minus x. Then x into 296 minus x is equal to 555 into 37. We know product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So x square minus 296x plus 20,535 equal to 0. So ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ మనం స్ప్లిట్ చేసినట్లయితే x వాల్యూ 111 and 185గా వస్తుంది. Find the greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the length 4 meter 95 centimeters, 9 meter 16 meter 9 meters and 16 meters 65 centimeters. Required length equal to HCF of 495 centimeters, 900 centimeters and 1665 centimeters. 495 is equal to 3 square into 5 into 11. 900 equal to 2 square into 3 square into 5 square. 1665 equal to 3 square into 5 into 37. So HCF, least powers of common factors. So here 3 square and 5 are the least powers of common factors. So 3 square into 5 equal to 45. Hence required length is equal to 45 centimeters. Find the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves remainder 6 and 5 respectively. So answer, required number is equal to HCF of 1657 minus 6 and 2037 minus 5. So HCF of 1651 and 2032 is 127. So required number is 127. So ఈ విధంగా గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ విచ్ డివైడ్స్ అని టూ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చేసి లీవ్స్ ద రిమైండర్ అని ఇస్తే ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్స్లోంచి ఆ రిమైండర్ని కట్ చేస్తే వచ్చే నెంబర్స్కి హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తే అది రిక్వైర్డ్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. Find the largest number which divides 62, 132 and 237 to leaves the same remainder in each case. So required number is equal to HCF of 132 minus 63, 237 minus 132 and 237 minus 62. So HCF of 70, 105 and 175 is 35. So ఇక్కడ 3 నెంబర్స్ని డివిజన్ చేసేటువంటి సేమ్ రిమైండర్ ఇన్ ఈచ్ కేస్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి సెకండ్ నెంబర్లోంచి ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ కట్ చేసాం, అలాగనే థర్డ్ నెంబర్లోంచి సెకండ్ నెంబరు, అలాగే థర్డ్ నెంబర్లోంచి ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి వచ్చినటువంటి నెంబర్స్కి మనం హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఫైండ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ద హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ టూ నెంబర్స్ ఈచ్ హ్యావింగ్ 3 digits is 17 and their LCM is 714. Find the sum of the numbers. ఇక్కడ 2 నెంబర్స్ హెచ్సిఎఫ్ అలాగనే ఎల్సిఎం ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. ఆ 2 నెంబర్స్ కూడా 3 digit నెంబర్ అవుతుందంట. ఆ 2 నెంబర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. సో let the numbers be 17A and 17B. Then 17A into 17B equal to 17 into 714. Here we know the product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. So 17 into a plus b equal to, then ab equal to 42. Now co-primes with the product 42 are 1 comma 42, 2 comma 21, 3 comma 14 and 5 comma 7. So the numbers are 17 into 1 comma 17 into 42, 17 into 2 comma 17 into 21, 17 into 3 comma 17 into 24, 14 and 17 into 6 comma 17 into 7. Since both the numbers are 3-digit numbers, so the suitable pair is 17 into 6 comma 17 into 7, that equal to 102 comma 119. So ఈ two numbers sum అడిగాడు కాబట్టి required sum equal to 102 plus 119 equal to 221. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 32, 36, 45, 60 and 80. Required number equal to LCM of given numbers. So LCM of given numbers is 1440. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 leaves the same remainder 1 in each case. So required number equal to LCM of 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 plus 1. ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్స్కి ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకొని వచ్చినటువంటి ఆన్సర్కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే అదే రిక్వైర్డ్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. సో ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 ఈజ్ 504. So required number equal to 504 plus 1 equal to 505. Find the smallest number which when increased by 10 is completely divisible by 12, 15, 18, 20 and 24. Required number LCM of 12, 15, 18, 20, 24 minus 10. So LCM of given numbers 360 minus 10 equal to 350. Find the greatest number of 5 digits which is divisible by 15, 21 and 36. Greatest numbers of 5 digits 99,999. Required number must be divisible by LCM of 15, 21, 36, that equal to 1260. On dividing 19,999 by 1260, we get 459 as remainder. So required number equal to 99,999 minus 459 equal to 99,540. This is the greatest number of 5 digits which is divisible by 15, 21 and 36. Find the smallest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 16, 24, 36 and 54. Smallest number of 5 digits is 10,000. Required number must be divisible by LCM of 16, 24, 36 and 54, that is 432. On dividing 10,000 by 432, we get 64 as remainder. So required number equal to 10,000 plus 432 minus 64 is equal to 10,368. This is the smallest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 16, 24, 36 and 54. Find the largest number which when subtracted from 10,000 the remainder is divisible by 32, 36, 48 and 50. Required number equal to 10,000 minus LCM of given numbers, that equal to 9,136. Find the largest number of 5 digits which when divided by 16, 24, 30 or 36 leaves the same remainder 10 in each case. Largest number of 5-digit number we know 99,999. So LCM of 16, 24, 30 and 36 is 720. And dividing 99,999 by 720, remainder obtained is 639. Largest number of 5 digits divisible by 16, 24, 30 and 36 is equal to 99,999 minus 639 is equal to 99,360. Hence required number equal to 99,630 360 plus 10, that equal to 99,370. Find the least number which when divided by 20, 25, 30 and 40 leaves remainders of 14, 19, 29 and 34 respectively. Here 20 minus 14 equal to 6, 25 minus 19 equal to 6, 29 minus 19 equal to 25 minus 19 equal to 6, 35 minus 29 equal to 6, 40 minus 34 equal to 6. Required numbers LCM of 20, 25, 35, 40 minus 6 is equal to 1394. What is the least number which when divided by the numbers 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12 leaves in each case a remainder 2, but when divided by 13 leaves no remainder. LCM of 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12 is 120. The required number is of the form 120k plus 2. So least value of k for which 120k plus 2 is divisible by 13 is k equal to 8. So required number 120 into 8 plus 2 equal to 962. The traffic lights are 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they all changes simultaneously at 820 hours, then at what time will they again change simultaneously? Interval of changes equal to LCM of 48, 72, 108 seconds, that equal to 432 seconds. So the lights will again changes simultaneously after every 432 seconds, that is 7 minutes 12 seconds. Hence next simultaneous changes will take place at 8:27 12 hours, that equal to 8 hours 27 minutes 12 seconds. Seema, Meena and Rima began to jog round a circle stadium and they complete their revolution in 54 seconds, 42 seconds and 63 seconds respectively. After what time they come together at the starting point? The LCM of 54, 42 and 63 is 378. So 3 girls will come together at the starting point in 378 seconds, that is 6 minutes 18 seconds. Arrange the fractions 17 by 18, 31 by 36, 43 by 45, 51 by 60 in the ascending order. So LCM of denominators 18, 36, 45 and 60 is 180. Now 17 by 18 equal to 17 into 10 by 180 into 10. This becomes 17 by 180. And 31 by 36 equal to 31 into 5 by 36 into 5. It becomes 155 by 180. Next 43 by 45 equal to 43 into 4 by 45 into 4. it becomes 172 by 180. And 59 by 60 equal to 59 into 3 by 60 into 3. It becomes 177 by 180. Since 155 less than 170, less than 182, less than 177. So 155 by 180 is less than 170 by 180 is less than 172 by 180 is less than 177 by 180. So 31 by 36 less than 17 by 18 less than 43 by 45 less than 59 by 60. Thank you.